Hey guys, today again I am back with a startup which I found is doing some good work in fintech industry. So today I will tell you guys the problem statement of Cheaper Cash, what problems they are solving, also solution offered by them and many more points. So let's get started. Introducing Cheaper Cash. Cheaper Cash is an African fintech startup. Cheaper Cash was founded by Hem Sirun Yogi and Majid Moyalat. Now let me tell you the problem statement. What problems they are solving for the society. So now imagine if you are traveling outside your country and you run out of cash. Also, managing money as per the currency of that particular country is not easy as it may seems. It may hurt your traveling experience eventually. Also, there are many money transfer apps from where you can transfer your money to someone else. But they all are restricted within the country. I mean, you cannot simply transfer money to someone else living in a different country. So now, let me tell you the solution offered by Cheaper Cash. What services are they providing to make your traveling experience better? Cheaper Cash is a mobile app that lets you send and receive money across Africa in fast and easy way. You can enjoy free transfers and the lowest cross-border rates. So it helps user to make instant cross-border mobile money transfers as easy as sending a text message. By the way, for now, the service is available only in Africa, but it is changing the financial landscape quite fast. So, hopefully, the service will spread around the world soon enough. Now, let me tell you the funding raised by Cheaper Cash. So, Cheaper Cash has raised a total of $52.2 million in funding over 6 rounds. It raised $2.4 million in seed round from 500 startups on May 9, 2019. It raised $6 million in seed round from Desains Capital on December 16, 2019. It then raised $13.8 million in Series A round from Desains Group and Raptor Group on June 16, 2020. It raised $30 million in Series B round from Ribbit Capital on November 19, 2020. So today in this video, I came up with a fintech startup. So hit like if you found it informative and share it to your friends. Also, please do not forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done that yet. So keep watching, keep learning and keep sharing.